I don't know the whole story. Do you know the story?
It was owned by the German Bund. A German Bund, the Bund was essentially, hey, we're all Germans, we all live America, let's form a fraternal organizations. Like other nationalities do, you know, and I'm going to hope that before they found out just how bad Hitler was, you know, but I swear I have seen photographs of like a 4th of July in the 1930s up there with a fireworks thing, and they would have, no lie, a picture of the founding fathers and a picture of Adolf Hitler, an American flag and a Nazi flag, the German Nazi flag. And they were saying our country is coming back, et cetera, et cetera. Yeah. And I just hope that maybe you can get away with that in 1930, you know, but it continued along. And in fact, it is now a scout camp, or it had been for a while. And I have gone there to scout a location, and there is like the main lodge, you know, there's tents and stuff like that. But there is a main lodge that honestly looks like, you know, a German Alpine chalet.
Yeah.
That all you have to do is paint it red, put a couple of Haken cruisers on there, and you are right back in Naziville, USA. Knock, knock.
They get it wrong, and they think that Hitler spent time there, like in his board shorts, looking out at the Pacific. You know?
He did come out for pilot season 1 year. And he needed a place to stay.
It was almost a 7th friend. But anyway, and then we're these 2 women, blonde, 22-year-old, I swear to God, wearing like bikini top, looked like they were just come from a sorority party. They flag us down like they were in trouble. And I said, what is it? And they went, do you know where the Hitler camp is?
Yeah, there you go.
Where's the Hitler camp?
About that.
And I went, oh, ladies, well, all right.
Wow.
Like, God, he's
Still pulling in the trim, that Addy Hitler. My God.
How do you get to Conan's house? Oh, well, if you've gone too far if you hit the Hitler camp.
right.
Make a U-turn at the Hitler camp.
When you get to the Mussolini cul-de-sac.
Yeah.
Take a left.
Yeah. Right past the triangle. But yeah, that's up there, and yeah.
Come on.
Now we are making light of a very, very dark period.
If you have ever referred to yourself as a pet parent, I want you to find a dark corner, and I want you to punch yourself in the genitals until you are a smarter person. Sometimes people put invisible collars on their pets so that when they walk past the property line, they get an electrical shock. You're not allowed to do that with a child. I have looked into it.
Asshole Chris Rock calls me Strokey Robinson. Motherfucker, I had a stroke.
Hold on. You could be an influencer. And get this. You could be an influencer and not influence a motherfucker to do a goddamn thing. You could be an influenceless influencer. Believe in yourself.
So funny, man. This article went on. Apparently, hackers can also control your fridge, your telly, and my favorite, your sex toy. It's unlikely, isn't it? And even if they could, what's the worst that'll happen? You'll have a lovely orgasm. At the very least, that's a great excuse. Let's not muck around. I can't stop it, Brian. It's Vladimir Putin. Leg it. It's got multiple speeds. You're not gonna switch on the BBC tonight. 5 more people were today dildoed to death.
And I don't know if you guys know this, but black and brown people are prescribed opioids at a lower rate than white people. So white people have a higher addiction rate to heroin. And I said to myself, maybe sometimes racism's good?
If you voted for Trump and you came to see me, you fucked up again.